Hi friends, I am Linjo here with a new video. Today I am going to talk about the latest leaks about MI-A2 or the MI6X, the predecessor of MI-A1 or the successor of MI-A1. So friends, this phone will launch in India very soon with a same exact spec with the Chinese version of MI6X. So friends, today I am going to clear some of the leaks and all the rumors about the MI6X or MI-A2 friends. So let's begin today's vlog without any interruption. So friends, first of all I want to talk about the display of the smartphone. The smartphone display is Full HD plus high resolution panel. It is one of the best or wonderful display in this price range for to buy friends. Its color accuracy is one of nice color accuracy friends. This display is also a 18:9 display, wonderful edge to edge display. Next thing is its camera. It has a dual rear camera with one with 12 megapixel and one with 20 megapixel. The 12 megapixel has f2.0 and the 20 megapixel has f1.8. It can shoot up to 4K video. Now I'm going to talk about the front camera or the it is a 20 megapixel f2.2 camera which can to shoot up to 180p full HD video friends. Yeah, it's nice in its price range. Next thing is its processor. The processor is the best or the newest processor for this smartphone. It is a Snapdragon 660 processor. It can handle many things and it is a battery efficient processor also. It will last your battery a long time. Next thing is about the battery life or the battery capacity of the smartphone. It has a 3010 mAh battery with a Qualcomm fast charge 3.0 supported, and the battery will charge very fast and it will last a whole day. It is also a type C cable. The type C can charge your phone very fast. The smartphone will come with a 4 GB and 6 GB of RAM and with a 64 GB of storage and expandable up to 128 GB of storage. The fingerprint scanner is placed on the rear side of the smartphone. It is very easy to access the fingerprint and its fingerprint is very fast also. Now the interesting part of the video, price of the smartphone friends. The 4 GB RAM will come with 15,999 and 6 GB of RAM will come with 17,999. These are all the specs and the leaks about the smartphone. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video and stay tuned for the next video.